Hello everyone, it's me Chebby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you Nothing OS inspired apps to try on any Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So on the first list we have the Missing Core Music. So just open the Play Store. Just search for one application named as Missing Core Music. On the first list you'll see the application. Just click on it. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download and install it, and after that just click on open. Just click on allow. So finally you can see this kind of user interface. So at the bottom you'll see your home, folders, playlists, tracks, albums, artists, so various options. So you can select the respective song to play. So you can see the user interface of this music player, and below you can see here one option. Just click on it. Now you can increase or decrease the playing speed, and you can directly increase or decrease the volume from here also. So this is all about the Missing Core Music. On the second list we have the Noid File Manager. Once again open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Noid File Manager. On the first list you'll see the application. Just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. Now once the installation is done, just click on open. You can click on let's begin, click on next, click on keep going, click on get started, click on allow. Just enable this Noid option. Just move back, click on get started again. So now you can see the user interface of this applications, and below you can see here a bin, which is a recycle bin option also available, quick share, and even you get a pinned option to pin some respective files or images, and below there are more options to access the different folders, and there is a shares button also to share any files directly from here. So this is all about the Noid File Manager. On the third list we have the Void Caller and Dial. So once again open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Void Caller, and the first list you'll see the application. Just click on it. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download and install it, and after that just click on open. On opening it will ask you some permissions. Just click on allow. Now select the respective dialer as your default dialer. Click on set as default, click on next step, click on next step again, click on next step, click on get started. So now you can see the user interface of this dialer. So it's a very minimalistic looking Nothing OS inspired dialer. So below you can see your all the context directly from here. You can add a favorite also from here itself. So this is the dial pad, how it looks. So this is all about the Void Caller. And now just open the Play Store again and just search for one application named as Dial, and on the first list you'll see the application. Just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. Now click on this arrow icon, click on allow. Now select the Dial and set as default. So now you will see a various options like logs, dial pads. So this is how the dial pad looks like. Next is a book, that is all the context, and last one is the favorites. So these are the options you're gonna get inside this dial application. On the fourth list we have the Noting Notes. So once again just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Noting Notes. And on the first list you'll see the application. Just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. So you can sign in with your Google account, or you can start noting offline. Click on this arrow button. Now you can see the user interface. On the above you can see various tabs, personal, work, or task, and at the bottom you'll see a folder icon. You can create a folder also from here. You can create a note, whatever note you want to create, and give a title, and you can click on save, and you can see a three dot icons on the right top corner. You can select a grid view, select or settings. Under the settings you will get a various options like theme, fonts. You can set a password also. So this is all about the Noting Notes. On the fifth list we have the Calc. So once again just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Calc, and the first list you'll see the application. Just click on it, click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. Now click on this red button. Now you can see the user interface of this calculator. So it's a very minimalistic looking design which is inspired by Nothing OS. So this is all about the Calc application. So on the sixth list we have the Nothing Gallery. So just open any web browser, and in the Google search for Nothing Gallery by JerrySoy224. And on the first list you will see its developer website. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now you'll see here releases. Just click on it. Scroll down below again. Just click on this assets. Now you can select any .apk file. So I'm gonna select the first one. So finally the file has been downloaded. Now just click on this open, click on install. So once the installation is done, just click on open, click on allow. So you can see there's an interface of this gallery application. At the bottom you'll see your timeline, albums, and there is more options, settings options. So under the settings you can show timeline on start, pin favorite videos to top, use 3 columns for album, so hidden albums, remove custom thumbnails, set custom album order. So these are the options you're gonna get inside the settings option. You can click on the respective folder and you can access all your images. So this is all about the Nothing Gallery application. So these are the Nothing OS inspired apps to try on any Android smartphones and tablets. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.